Florence here from Farthings in Cambridge, the dry cleaners. Today I just wanted to let you know that we do repair and alteration for all garments. We also repair household like curtains, cushions cover. So what does it mean to you, for you? So have you got a garment that needs repair at the moment? You do not want to wear it or you don't want to use it because it needs repair. You love this summer dress, for example, or this pink top that you want to wear for your next meeting. Don't throw it away. Get it repaired and use it again. We have an expert in repair and alteration that will do everything from a small button, stitching a small button, to relining really a full garment. The great thing is that all garment that we repair will not look like it's been repaired. You will not be able to see that it has been repaired. So try us and I can guarantee you're going to be very happy. Thank you very much and have a lovely week. Thank you.